scanning him for a microchip. Sometimes animals that are rescued, if they've been injured or abandoned, they're looked after in captivity and then later released. They'd be marked with a microchip.
So this is an otter that was found in North Wales, and he obviously had quite a light impact because there was very little damage externally. So we decided to have him mounted so that we could use it as a teaching aid. Some recent research we've been doing has been using blood samples and screening them for antibodies to a parasite, Toxoplasma gondii. And this is a parasite which is really of enormous relevance to humans. It infects about a third of the human population worldwide. The parasite spreads basically with cat poo. Any cat poo that's either left in people's gardens and washes through into rivers, or cat poo that people put down the toilets and then it comes out through our sewerage system. That contains thousands of the oocysts, which are the infective stage of the parasite, and those can live for a very long time then in the environment, up to a year in the environment, and remain infective. Otters are one of the species that can become infected as those oocysts enter the watercourses and are picked up either by the otters directly or by other species which they're feeding on. And we're using the otters as a way of really mapping the distribution of Toxoplasma gondii in the wild. And further to that, we're hoping to look at the genetics of the parasite and see how that reflects the genetics of the parasite in the human population. We've found so far that Toxoplasma is very widespread in the otter populations. We found it's more common in older animals, which we would have expected, and there's no difference in the rates of males and females picking it up.